Hey guys, magical0919 here
And
with my cousin
ilia0905.
ilia0905.
What's up,
The
bro?
person.
What's up, bro?
And today, currently we're doing something called
The
Crazy Show
by me. I
This is created by her, and I have no idea what we're gonna be doing in it.
Yo.
Crazy for 15 minutes?
Mhm.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
And be done. So, BRB guys, I'm going to be crazy.
We're back. We're now crazy.
We're back. I'm beautiful, as you can see.
She is very hot.
Look how hot
I am.
And she's A.
I am Medusa.
I'm Z.
I am half Medusa, half Stegosaurus.
I'm crazy.
I don't know.
Thank you guys. Well, I made this up, so then we have to go out in public and say crazy random things to people, like, love the powers, eat my dust.
What?
Or eyeballs rule, or
Stegosaurus, too.
Yeah. Like, you just act crazy and everything.
Yes.
So, I'm going to...
We are going to go public.
Go public.
That sounded weird.
So,
Okay.
I already left.
Okay, so now we're being crazy in public. This is a weird idea.
This is like the most... Oh my god, it's so full here. Oh my god. If you guys were here and you saw what I was doing, you would like be freaking out right now.
We'll go there then.
We'll see. We'll see what's going on.
This room is full. Why?
Yeah.
Your animal doesn't look changed on mine.
Mine is.
Loading.
It's
Loading.
You got,
Loading.
It's like this every day, so guys, if you ask,
Ignore my slow computer.
Ignore it. I'm about to get a laptop, so I'll be.
I might get a laptop for
Do you
Christmas.
see me? Do you see me, guys?
Yes, I see you.
I'm hopping up and down with my airplane. So I already said hi to YouTube. We are making a video.
Nope, something yet.
Just kidding.
Next part of the crazy show?
Huh?
Next part of the crazy show?
Next part of the crazy show.
And we'll be back.
Back
again.
We're back, and
I am even more crazier.
I'm
I
swaggy.
am a huge eyeball.
I'm a phantom, so I'm very swaggy, and I know where we should go.
Where do we go this time?
This time, let's go to Crystal Sands.
Oh god.
This is gonna be. Oh, there's a person here, so.
She thought.
And oh, she left. She is so embarrassed by our hotness. Now let's go to I can't say it. The forest thingy. I don't know.
No, I mean one of these.
You pick. Oh no, I found a good place.
Oh my god.
Come on.
Therapy Forest. Yes.
Okay,
the
guys.
Place,
this is
the place for warriors.
This is where I'm a warrior, so you guys better watch out. I'm so crazy. If you guys can see, if you go down, you'll see me acting crazy into everybody.
Someone's taking a video around me.
I'm
saying random things.
I am. Wait. Llama powers.
We have 10 more minutes.
So guys, I guess, it's Matthew's turn to go. This dude's taking a video though, so it's gonna be really weird. I feel really bad because she's gonna, me and her are in a video already.
Video and a video.
It's a video and a video, so.
Video section.
Look at me! Look at me. I'm crazy. Oh my god!
What?
This person screams because I'm a phantom. I'm a phantom, people.
This is what happens when your own crazy cousin comes up with something like this. This happens. This happens.
So guys, we might be taking a video, like, well, we're gonna
Maybe every 1 or 2 days.
we're like gonna make separate channels, so I'm gonna have my own, he's gonna have
Nope, we're gonna have like a channel and separate from mine.
Yeah, so we
And like for our videos of us together.
Yeah,
So we can upload there.
I might do like with my face, but I don't.
No.
I want to do my face one day.
No.
Why?
No.
Why?
No.
I'm not afraid.
No.
I'm not afraid, so I wouldn't be talking.
Next part?
So
Next part of the great show?
what?
Next place?
So next place.
My den again.
This is where my den. Okay. Wait, I have an idea.
What?
What's gonna make? Guys, I just have an idea. I'm gonna go to my friend's den and we're gonna fake them out.
Hopefully it's not locked.
I think. Okay. Focus is all dance when fully. Okay, I'm gonna see this. Okay, ready? Llama
Ignore that I'm at your den. Ignore the fact that I'm at your den.
Guys, comment down below if we should make another video. If you like, keep on liking this. At the end, we should say hello, say your food. Oh, and I know in the other video we told you to subscribe, Lindsay M. You should. She's a great friend and everything. You should subscribe.
Yes.
Very.
I know in the last video I said I was a shy nerd,
but now.
but apparently I'm not.
Because I forced her. I forced her.
She forced me.
How dare she? So.
Also, if you hear a boy in the background, ignore him.
That's my
That's her brother.
He's a 5-year-old, so just ignore him, please.
Just ignore him.
Corey Shush.
She just said his name.
I know. Well, they don't care about my brother, they care about us. But bye, guys. See you next time.
But wait,
What?
you said the whole video. We have 6 minutes.
Because I'm so hot. I'm so hot. Okay, where? Oh, I went for 12 minutes.
I know.
Okay, man. I'm beautiful. I'm beautiful.
You're lucky you have a faster computer.
It's not my fault. I'm using this.
Shut up.
Don't worry, I'm the oldest.
No, you're not.
I have two
No, you're
brothers.
not.
I have two brothers. I have two brothers.
Oh, and you're part of your family.
Part of my family.
And you're part of your family.
Part?
No.
Part of my
No.
family.
Shut up.
Part of my family. Oh, what happened?
I'm the youngest and I'm part of the family. You're the oldest. You're the oldest kid from your mother. I'm the youngest.
So
I just have to be.
should we end the video?
The next part. I guess. This time, we do something different than going in public and dressing weird.
What are we doing this time?
You're done.
I am an
What were
idiot.
we just saying?
I am an idiot.
What did we just say? What?
Me.
You and your friends.
I'm so hot. You already know.
You are not hot.
I'm so hot. Look at you. You don't have a spec on that pants on.
I do have a stick on. Do you not see it?
I don't see it.
I don't see yours.
You can't see me.
No, I don't.
I'm beautiful.
You're in our head.
I'm
Okay.
beautiful.
We are the eyeball twins.
Yes, yes we are. I'm beautiful because I have pink.
I have blue.
I have an idea, but I can't see. Put something on your tree.
I have a pink.
Put something on your tree.
Okay, so I guess this next part of the crazy show, we're going to trade insane trades.
Even if they're bad trades, it doesn't matter. But like, we'll have to send our stuff back. Cause
If even if it's like
even if it's like a non-member thing.
like
No.
if it's like a really over trade,
Yeah.
we still accept it.
Yeah.
And then at the end we
Like if
send
it's
it back.
like, put something on your tree that you've done so I can trade my wrist first.
Okay.
I'm so beautiful.
Hold on, I'm pausing. I am back.
We are back.
We're back.
We are back.
I just have to change my look. If I
look so hot.
I didn't like that eyeball go. So
Now it's Magical's turn to like. Oh yeah, we're gonna do.
we're trading insane trades for like really bad
I'm gonna
things.
go first.
And then at the end,
Wait.
we're sending back each other's stuff.
Okay. The bunny statue done. So I put the bunny statue on.
Okay, hold on.
Let me trade it. Trade
The
me.
lag. The lag. Why? And even if it's a really
like
high trade,
like an overtrade,
yeah, we still accept it.
Yeah, but we'll have to send like stuff back
at the end.
Like you won't be a scammer or anything.
Yeah.
Oh, like, she's my cousin, like my cousin.
I even know her.
Huh?
I know her stuff.
Yeah, she knows my stuff. I know her stuff. We're like, we're in that same house right now.
Yeah.
Okay, so try to trade me for like my.
Okay,
Okay, thank you.
You're not wearing it. And so we have a minute left. We have to do this quickly.
Guys, we only have a minute left, so we're gonna do this like really quickly.
I guess we'll just do two things.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so load.
Just two things. Just two things. Sorry, we only have a minute. Okay. Okay. Bye guys.
What you have to trade?
Peace out. Bye guys. This is ilia0905. After this, I'm gonna trade her back. Okay. Bye. Peace out.
What are you doing?
Did you pause the video?
No. We're still recording. We still have.
You never told me anything.
We have like 15 seconds left.
Okay, bye guys.
Nope.
Bye.
We're ending it here now.
Bye.
Bye.